Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us here. It's Rasha Katabi, founder of Brim Financial, joined with my colleagues. Delighted to be here today. Brim is a card and payment platform as a service for consumers and businesses. For businesses, it spans from small SMBs to large commercial, and we have the full employment workflows for the employees of our clients. Our clients, those are banks and financial institutions, where we're embedding our credit card platform as a service within their ecosystem. We're going to start with taking you into the environment of one of our clients so you can actually see it live. For CWB, Brim does credit cards, both personal and business. So from here, a CWB client can either apply and activate. They're logging into their digital banking platform, and they're seamlessly SSO'd to all of the products and capabilities on credit cards and payments, be it business or commercial. So we're going to focus on business, and I'm going to pass it on to our VP Product, Thomas Patterson, who's going to take us through the demo today.
Perfect. Thanks, Rasha. So here I'm going to be logging into the cards portal, which is powered by Brim, but fully embedded in the ecosystem of our bank and credit union and other partners' ecosystems. What we're showing here is our multi-product capabilities. So Brim can power a number of different financial products and enable that through a single login and a single interface. There's not this fragmented experience. In this scenario, the person has a personal credit card and a business credit card. They have one login, which, as Rasha mentioned, is also accessible through SSO directly from our partner's online banking system. So I'm going to jump into the business one and focus much of the demo on that side. I am logging in as a business administrator, so I am the one that is the admin to control everything on the business account. Here I'm presented with the dashboard. Depending on the different type of user that you have, you're going to be seeing different types of functionality and different types of hierarchy. So company spend information, all my different card holders, my MCC breakdown, as well as insights and analysis on that, which we automatically will generate out to you. Top merchant spend, a fully embedded merchant rewards ecosystem, as well as all the different transactions that are happening within your company. So I'm just going to show you some of the functionality. There's obviously a lot more, but I will show you just some of the functionality today, such as adding a card holder. So I'm just going to go in. This is also, you can bulk add load for your corporate account all at the same time, or you can go one by one. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this card holder. I can set a monthly spend limit. Of course, I don't want a single employee having access to a credit line for the entire company. So let's just say that they need 15,000. You can set monthly, weekly, daily spend limits, as well as a number of other different controls that you can do from a spend perspective. So I just added that card holder within that employee within the system. I'm just going to show you here an email communication that we send out. Again, this looks like it's coming from this bank, Canadian Western Bank. This is actually sent by Brim. It's completely partner branded. This card holder gets immediate access to their virtual card that they can start transacting on, add to a mobile wallet, and immediately start using their card. I also have the ability on the other side to remove card holders in real time. So as an example, I can go inside here and let's just say that this employee was let go. I can jump inside the platform and remove them instantaneously. This, in addition to a ton of other controls on MCC, on utilization of spend, et cetera, is available within the platform. I also want to show you just some capabilities on lost stolen as well. So if I jump into this account, I have the ability, let's just say this employee contacted me as the admin of the business and said that I lost my card. I can jump inside the platform here, and I can issue them an instantaneous new virtual card that they will receive. Of course, they can receive a new physical plastic as well. But what we do is that we enable them virtual card access instantaneously, as well as we push the new virtual card number through a token API directly into their mobile wallet, so they can start using it instantaneously. I also just want to show you some company spend insights. So we dynamically display insights and trends that are happening within your business based on your purchase activity, so you can better control your expenses as the administrator of this business. So I can jump inside the platform here, and I can go to previous months. I can analyze my data and see what's happening. I can see the different types of spend that's happening within the platform, percentage increase that's happening on employees or at specific merchants. Also have the ability to go in and analyze, like as an example on this company here, the spend for September is already quite high. I would have the ability to jump in here and understand why that would be, and then perhaps set controls on that individual that's spending too much, and et cetera. What I also want to show you today is the employee portals. So this is something that we provide to the employees of our bank and credit union partners, which enables them the ability to perform complete portfolio management and strengthens the engagement with the customer through the interfaces that we provide. This is also completely hierarchical based, so there's hundreds of different types of unique functionality that's in here depending on your role, and you have the ability to control what can this employee do versus that employee do within the system. So I'm looking up this same account here. So I'm jumping in as a call center agent that's going to be taking calls and performing frontline support. I can jump inside here. I can view all the previous communication, SMS, app notifications, email that's happening. I can resend them as well. And then I'm presented with the customer file information. This is where I can perform all sorts of different portfolio management functions on credit, on product, on marketing, on call center, on operations, et cetera. Just a couple things I wanted to show you. For example, if there's a high utilization rate, which the system will flag on this company as an example, I can jump in here and say, okay, I'm going to increase this company's, due to that high utilization rate, I'm going to increase their limit up to 180,000, not 150,000, as an example. All that is done in real time. Another example, again, very important from a frontline perspective, is a call center person. I actually have the ability to co-browse with that individual or with that business and perform all sorts of different types of portfolio management on their behalf, co-browsing with them inside the platform. As an example right here, ability to waive a fee. And of course, all that is done in real time. Thank you.